Hey, it's Austin with GoFundMe, and I want to talk about thanking your donors. So it means a lot when we receive a donation, right? And it's important to share how that generosity makes us feel. But doing that while also navigating a fundraiser can definitely be hard. But the good news is you can quickly send a thank you message through your GoFundMe account. This eliminates the organization work of tracking down donors and finding contact information. So in your donations tab, you can see a list of your donors, and you can write a personal note to an individual donor, or you have the option to send one message to everybody. So where do you begin to share your gratitude? It doesn't have to be fancy. Simple and heartfelt words go a really long way. Remember, your donors are people that care about you and they just want to see you succeed. So let's consider this as an outline. First, obviously, say thank you. Then, let your donor know how their funds will be used or how they're already being used. Next, you might share how you're feeling, and you might ask them to share with their broader community. Let's take a look at some ideas. Dear donor, thank you so much for donating to support my return to school. Your funds will help pay for my tuition and books for the first semester. I feel so supported and encouraged with the fundraiser response, and I'll take that encouragement into the school year with me. I'm still working towards my goal, so if you're able, I'd also appreciate you sharing my fundraiser with your friends and family. Thank you again, I truly appreciate it. It only takes a few minutes to write and send a thank you, but it can really help. Remember, these are the people who care about you and your cause, so help them feel the impact they've made in your life. If you have any other questions, check out our help center at support.gofundme.com.